Anxiety is common. And honestly, sometimes you don't know when you're having a mental health crisis. Not too long ago, my son called me from another state in an absolute panic attack. He was hyperventilating, crying, just on the meltdown. And all I could do in the moment was listen to him and help him breathe through that moment and calm down a little bit. So some signs and symptoms I want you to think about. When is your anxiety out of control? Is it when you're not sleeping or sleeping too much, eating or not eating? Is it affecting your work or life relationships? And the big red signs that say, whoa, time for an intervention, are things of thoughts of talking about self-harm or others, or feeling like they're a burden to somebody else. All of those say we need an immediate intervention. I want you to write down this phone number, and it's really quick and easy. 988. This is the Suicide Crisis Intervention Hotline, and it is open 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, and it is a warm ear, meaning there's a live person behind that number. Please reach out to us through your patient portal. You want to make sure that you are heard, safe. If you need refills, your patient portal is also the price to get treatment.